Hi friends, today we are going to make masala tea. Good for your health and good for mental health. Especially in winters when you are not able to get over your cold. Try this recipe and you'll thank me later. For 1 cup of tea, you'll need 1 cup of water. Put it to boil in the pan. Add 1 teaspoon ghee. Some mint leaves. Nutmegarize. 2 cloves. Add some freshly grated black pepper. Some crushed cardamom. Or you can also use cardamom powder. Half cinnamon stick. Little bit of turmeric. Grind some ginger. You can use hand grater like me, or you can use your normal grinding machine for small ones, whatever you want to use for grinding the ginger. Ginger is very good for health, for cold and cough, and it will help you in getting recovered. Once you're done adding spices, you can add some sweetener. You can go for regular sugar, brown sugar, or even healthier jaggery powder. I'm skipping sugar right now, so I'll not add it, but up to you. If you want sweetness, you can go ahead with some sweetener in this case. Let it to boil. Keep it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we keep it for simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure that your flame is on low to medium heat. A tea is ready. You can serve it like this, or if you want milk, you can also add half a cup of milk right now. After adding milk, let's keep it boiling for another 1 to 2 minutes. Tea is hot and ready to be served. Let's strain it quickly. So this is how it looks. Tempting, right? So if you're craving for masala tea, try this recipe out. Tell me if you like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more such recipes. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.